Hello viewers, I wanna show you how you will create a Viber group. Firstly, you just open the Viber app by clicking here. Then you will see lots of options: chat, contacts, calls. But if you see in the below side, you will see the messenger option. You just click here. Then you will see the top of the list is the new group. You just click the new group. Then you have to select the people you want to add that group. You can add maximum 249 people, so I just show you by adding 2 people only. You can add more people as you want from your contact list or by adding any people in this group. After selecting all people, you should click on the right side click button. Okay, then after a few seconds you will see this types of page will came. If you go to the scroll from right to left, then you will see the group name and other things came here. Firstly, if you want to add the group name, just click here, then add the group name. You just select the group name is media, then click on save button, then the group name will be changed. And if you want to add any icon just or logo here, just click add icon and take photo from your gallery if you want to. There are lots of other options here. If you want to share the group link, then if you click here, then the link will be appear, and there are more other options in the below. If you want to add any admin, then just click on the admin, then select any member from your group to add as admin. Okay, if you want to add more participants in this group, just click on the plus sign, then from the list you can add more people. If you want to text then welcome, just make the welcome note, just click here, then it will be go. Same things, if you want to share any image, then you can easily share by from here. And if you want to add the location where you available now, just on the location options, and here the all other things. Hopefully you understand.
Please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.